Okay. Sorry, due to some technical issues, I had faced some problem. So, whether my voice is audible now? Whether my voice is audible? Okay. Okay, actually, I had just given some introduction of this subject. Okay. So, as we know that software basically it plays a role, like what are the different types of role in the software we have seen, and we have seen what is actually the subject about. Okay. So, in today's class, just I'll be telling about the importance of a software. In the next class, I'll be continuing the actual topic. Okay. So as you can see here, basically the context of testing in producing a software. Okay. So here, as I've told you, software first and the foremost point is what? Everything we use today has a software in it. Okay. In a typical workplace, we are going to use a software. That is, for example, consider an institution. Okay. Consider the institution. In the institution, we will be having different sections, like we'll be having the administrative staff, we'll be having the accounts and finance, and we'll be having some technical people here. Okay, wherever you whichever the organization you consider, whether it can be a institution, whether it can be a government, a service, or it can be any other organization, it will be having definitely the sections. Okay. So similarly here also, we are having what here? Some of the sections. Like if you consider any of a workplace, we are having the sections like administrative staff, accounts and finance staff, and the technical people. So here, coming to the administrative staff, what is actually administrative staff? No doubt all the staff, okay, it may be administrative staff, it may be accounts and finance, or it can be a technical people. Whoever is there, everybody will use what? Software. Now we will see one by one what are their roles, how they are going to use the software. Now consider first and the foremost administrative staff. Okay, consider the first point, administrative staff. So administrative staff are nothing but those people who are going to take care of all the administration. For example, if you consider the institution, administrative staff, they take care about the admissions. If you take our college as an example, what does the administrative staff do? They take care of what? They take care of the admissions. So they are going to use the software. Okay, they are going to use the software to take the student's name, to take their address. Okay, there are some built-in software where administrative staff use this software to take care about the admissions. Coming to the next, accounts and finance staff. So these accounts and finance staff, these are the staff who take care of all the financial management. For example, they are going to use a software called as spreadsheets. Spreadsheets anta kelirtiri andre eno, it will be similar to the Excel type, which will take care of all the finance. Andre eno, amount, how much amount we have spent for what. They need to manage all the financial details. So these are nothing but what? Accounts and finance staff. Coming to the last, technical people. So the technical people, what they are going to do? Technical people, basically they are going to use some of the programming languages. Then they are going to use the tools, modeling tools, simulation tools, database management systems in order to take care of the complete management. For example, the technical people anta hidukondre, if you want to develop any of the applications, they are going to use the programming language. For the front end, we are going to use the tools like modeling tools, simulation tools, and so. If I want you, I'll give one example. For example, I am developing one application on Salesforce. Okay, I am developing an application. No doubt, I write a programming language, everything. But for that application, application open ಮಾಡಿ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ give your user ID password ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, you will be having give the user ID and the password. What to do with that? We need to give the user ID and password. Once you give the user ID and the password, what it will do? ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವೇನಂತೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. How will put that submit button? The person who is developing the software, he will put user ID anta one column, then password, select submit button. What is that button? Button basically it is one of the things which we will be getting in the simulation tools. For example, here I have modeling tools. If you notice here, programming language, and here I have modeling tools. This modeling tools are nothing but those type of tools which are used to put the buttons, okay, which are used to put the buttons or any other graphs. Ee thara yavade one barbekandre modeling tools. Next I have simulation. Simulation tools are nothing but what? For example, if you consider your project, if you are going to do any of a project, there will be a simulation package, okay. Simulation package we will be getting like graph like structure. Your results you will be getting in a graph like structure, that is simulation. Last is database management system, which is used for storage. Storage ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we are going to use one of the sophisticated software called as DBMS, that is database management systems. So here technical people use wide variety of a software. Here we have given only few examples like programming languages, modeling tools, simulation tools, database management systems. Only few we have given here, but actually there are wide variety of a software, okay. There are wide variety of a software. For example, if you want to write any of a C program, what you will be do? You will be going with a Turbo C. So here for each and every language we are having a software in it. So apart from these, okay, apart from these, it can be administrative staff. Andre, you know, administrative staff, they will be using one software. Accounts and finance, they will be using one software. Technical people, they will be using some set of softwares. Apart from these softwares, there are some of the things or softwares which are used by everybody in the society. Not only the people who work, but there are some of the softwares who use where each and every people in the society, they use the software. For example, if you consider a WhatsApp, everybody will use it, whether the person is employed, whether the person is unemployed, whether the person is studying, whether the person is not studying. Even each and every illiterate person also, if you go to a village, they will be having a WhatsApp. Who told him? Nobody told him. He himself updated to the technology. He himself updated. Simple. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. If you give a mobile and an internet to one small, what is called as a small kid, what he will do? He will install some of the games like Candy Crush or anything. Who told him? Nobody told him. It is the technology which has brought into us the technology. So there are some softwares, you know, there are again two types. There are some softwares which are used by everybody in the society. No doubt it can be small or big. No doubt he is illiterate or illiterate. No doubt if a person is employed or unemployed. There are some of the softwares which are used by everybody in the society. Those type of softwares are called as generic software. Generic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? General type. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅದನ್ನ. Okay, everybody are going to use the software. For example, WhatsApp ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, generic type of a softwares are those type of a softwares which are used by everybody in the society. It can be for good or it can be for bad. ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಹೆಂಗದ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ there are ಅದರಲ್ಲಿನೂ generic ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ there are some of the softwares ಎಲ್ಲಿ where only small kids use. For example, games. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ? ನಾನಂತೂ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. If you are playing, I don't know. There are some interest, depends on the interest. There are some of the softwares which depends on the interest of a person. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So they in generic software also there are divisions like it can be based on age, or based on interest ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Based on age or based on interest. So apart from generic type of a software, there is a very important another type of a software called as bespoke software. Okay, there is another type of a software called as bespoke software. What is this bespoke? B-E-S-P-O-K-E, bespoke. Okay, so apart from this, there is apart from generic, there is also a type of a software called as bespoke type of a software. Okay, bespoke type of a software. What does this software do? This software is not given for everybody in the society. This software ella society members iga release madalla. Okay, this software is only meant for only specific person in the specific what is called company. For example, consider there are some of the softwares which are meant for research. Okay, there are some of the softwares which are meant for research. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಯಾರೇ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ, ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ, only for them this software is available. So here bespoke software, it is that type of a software which is only given authority, okay, which is given authority only for specific people in the society. It can be for a scientific research, or it can be for the people who are going to study some stellar things, okay, like stars. Stellar is nothing but stars. So here this is nothing but bespoke. Remember another one thing, in software there are two types. One is generic software, which is given for where software is released. Okay, where software is released for everybody in the society. It can be small or big, whatever, in difference of age. Whereas apart from that, we have another type of a software called as bespoke software. Okay, bespoke software which take care or which is specifically given only for a small number of people in the society who are working on it. It can be example research anta helade. So these are the two type of a software you need to remember. Okay, so what is actually the thing? Software, it is used everywhere. Coming to a typical workplace. Workplace andre enu, here I have written called as a workplace. Workplace is nothing but where people work. It can be institution. We are working in an institution, or it can be any of our company. Okay, it can be a company, or it can be anywhere people are working in group. Is called as a organization. And if you notice here, I have written called as something and at home anta bardenilli. And at home ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರ ಸುಮ್ನೆ. ಇವನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಖಾಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಓದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಂತವ್ರು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ administrative staff and software they will be using, accounts and finance and technical people. Whereas if they are at the home also, they will be using a software. It may be for education, entertainment, etc. So here we have studied importance of a software, where actually the software are using. Now the question arises. Okay, now the question arises. Think a company, it is developing one product. Okay, think a company, it is developing one of the product. Now what are the challenges for the company? ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಇರ್ತದ, ಕಂಪನಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as car. Now what are the challenges for the company? Okay, what are the challenges for the company we need to study? No doubt here company, it needs to face various types of challenges. Okay, before going to that, let me tell you a word called as mission critical situation. Here at the first point, you know, mission critical situation. Okay, there are some of the situations, I will tell you a definition of a meaning. Okay, mission critical situations are those type of situations, okay, are those type of situations where the software or a product, listen carefully, where a software or a product should work 100% correctly. Remember, I'm going to repeat again. See here, the first, if you want to read me the first sentence, software is being used now in mission critical situations where failure is simply unacceptable. Hangandre eno? Mission critical situations are those type of situations where our software, one the other software development, our software should work 100% correctly. What is the meaning 100% correctly? Without any error. And now I'll tell you the example. Mission critical situations are nothing but example kortinan. You came to know definition. Situations where our software should work correctly are mission critical situations. What are the examples? Ivaga I'm developing a software for army forces. Border alli irtaralla avrige na protect madlika one other software I'm making it ready. I'm taking a responsibility of developing a software for the people to protect in a border. What I need to think? I need to think that my software should work 100% correctly, because each and every life of a soldier is important to me. Since I'm developing a software, each and every life of a soldier is important. So I need to develop a product or a software which is 100% correctly, or there is no single failure. That is nothing but mission critical situation. Okay. So this is what we need to see. Everything we need to consider that it is working properly. That is mission critical situations. Remember, not only I had given an example of an army, but you need to consider any other example. For example, research. Yado one application development. It is for knowing about the Mars information or something planets information. Anta time alli nan doubt itkobardu. Nan product work aagtado illo, errors bartavo illo. No. I need to develop a product which is 100% what is called as a without a error. So this is what for us a mission critical situation. I think everybody followed. Whether if everybody followed mission critical situation, just raise your hands. Raise your hands everybody. Mission critical situations. If you have followed the term. I'm going to repeat again if you still have the doubt. Mission critical situations are those type of situations where our software should be 100% working properly without any failure. Not even a single error no barbad. One single error bantandru, it will make a lot of effect. Okay, this is mission critical situation. Now I'll come back to my old point. Challenges of a organization anta helidde nanu. Okay, this one I'll complete today. Okay. So challenges of an organization. ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ದ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಬರೀ ಮೂರೇ ನಮ್ಗ. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಡ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಮೇಜರ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. ಓಕೆ, 3 major challenges we have. So first and the foremost is an organization that develops, if you notice the first point clearly, an organization that develops any form of software product or service must put in every effort to eliminate all the defects. Hangandre eno, one organization ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ it needs to take into mind that I need to eliminate all the defects. Okay, I need to eliminate all defects. I think if you remember in my first class, I had given one simple example. For example, on TV product called I am developing a product called as a TV. In that product, audio is not properly what is called fixed. Audio means what? Audio there no problem adana TV nadu nanu gottilla. I have neglected. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಮೈಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಟಿವಿ 10,000 ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 10,000 ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟಿವಿ. I have developed a TV and then I have given to 10,000 people in the society. Distribute ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ, then I will remember I have problem means what audio problem ಅದ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್? Definitely customers, whether they'll be happy with me? No. Customers will not be happy. They will scold me. What type of product are you selling? Yes or no? Ratings ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ? Yes or no? Definitely ನನ್ನ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಡೌನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Yes or no? ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಬೈಕೊಳಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Yes or no here? So what I have paid money, give me back my money. These all are the consequences which take place. So what happens here? Before ಒಂದು ಯಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ. Even they have earned money with lots of struggles. I need to take care of that. So I need to, as far as possible, I need to eliminate all the defects. Ella defects na eliminate madaka try ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Second point, defects are unlikely to remain latent for long. Latent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಮ್ಗೆ? hidden. For example, ಈ sentence meaning ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, no doubt in this class I have only 10 students are there. Okay, in 10 students hardly 1 or 2 will ask me the doubts. Definitely, yes or no? In this class only 1 or 2 will ask me the doubt. Consider here in a class of 200 students, whether doubts will be 1 or 2? Definitely no. Doubts increase akonta ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. 10 to 20 ಆಗ್ತಾವ doubts. 10 ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡೌಟ್ 1 2 ಬರಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇ 200 ಜನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗ? 20-30 ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನೋ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಂದೇನೋ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ತರ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Defects will not be longer hidden. Defects will not be longer hidden. This is the second. As the customers goes on increasing, defects will now be longer. So last, the nature of usage of product anta guys. Nature of usage of product andre eno already helin nanu. Two types of software. One is bespoke software, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು generic software. Bespoke software, it is developed only for a specific function for a specific organization. Specific function, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಜೆನರಿಕ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊಸೈಟಿನಾಗ, ಸಣ್ಣವರು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಏಜ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್. ಎದಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ bespoke ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Whereas in generic software, everybody will be using the software. So when everybody is using the software, definitely what happens? One or the other problem will rise. One or the other problem antru bande bartade. Yes or no? So here what happens? Bespoke software, problems will be less, challenges also will be less because only scientific persons will use. Whereas in generic software, everybody will use. So what happens? Definitely challenge also will be present. Okay, challenges is also present. So what happens here? The organization should take care more about our generic software. So these are the 3 challenges for our organization. There are many challenges, but main is 3. First ಏನಿದು ನಮಗೂ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, defects are unlikely to remain latent. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ನಮ್ಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್, ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್, ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಇನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ we have 2 types. One is bespoke and generic. No doubt in bespoke problems are less, in generic problems are more. So organization should take care of all these challenges. So today's class I just told what is the importance of a software, where it is used, And then I told one term called as mission critical situation, and next is challenges. In the next class, I will be dealing with the further topics. Whether today's class was clear? Whether today's class was clear? Raise your hands. Okay, fine. So this will be the end of today. Just remember, point ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡಿ. First and the foremost, you need to remember where all our software is used. Second is mission critical situations ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು. Third is challenges of our organization. Okay, this is enough for today. In next class, I will be dealing with next topics. Okay, thank you.